Harpreet Brar is an Indian cricketer. He plays for Punjab in domestic cricket and for Punjab Kings in the Indian Premier League. Harpreet once hit 5 sixes in an over in one of his club matches. He considers Yuvraj Singh as his idol. However, in this video, we are going to talk about Harpreet Brar's luxurious lifestyle, family, cricketer career, family details, physical stats, net worth, unknown facts, house address, social media, biography and everything. So please watch this video and then don't forget subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more updates. Harpreet Brar's biography. Real name Harpreet Brar. Nickname Preet. Occupation Indian cricketer. Ethnicity Asian Indian. Zodiac signs Virgo. Date of birth September 16, 1995, age 26 years. Place of birth Moga, India. Nationality Indian. Religion Sikhism. Net worth $1 million. Education Kendriya Vidyalaya, AFS High Grounds, Chandigarh. College GGDSD College, Chandigarh. Harpreet Brar's cricketer career. Batting style, left-handed bat. Bowling style, left-arm orthodox. Playing role, batting all-rounder. Coach/mentor, Anil Kumbal. Harpreet Brar's family details. Father Mahinder Singh Brar, Punjab police driver. Mother Gurmeet Kaur Brar. Sister Ramanpreet Kaur Brar. Harpreet Brar's physical stats. Body types, slim. Height, 6 feet 3 inches. Weight, kilogram 75 kg in pounds 165.35 pounds. Eye color, black. Hair color, black. Harpreet Brar's unknown facts. Harpreet Singh is an Indian cricketer who plays for the domestic team of Punjab and the India U23 team. He was bought by Kings I Punjab in 2018 for the base price of Rs. 20 lakhs. Harpreet started his career with the Punjab U16 team followed by Punjab U19 and Punjab U23 teams. Harpreet waited 7 years and gave the trials 4 times before receiving the contract for Indian Premier League 2019. He was trying hard to get selected for the team as it was his last year of trying. He was 23 years old and considered it as his last chance trying for the team. Harpreet made his 2020 debut for Kings I Punjab on April 20, 2019 in the 2019 Indian Premier League. His debut match was against Delhi Capitals in Feroz Shah Kotla Stadium. While playing for Ropar under-19 team during an inter-district match against Hoshiarpur, Harpreet took 10 wickets in a single inning. In the first inning of the match, he took 5 wickets making a total of 15 wickets for him in the match. This record was previously made by India's Anil Kumbal and England's Jim Laker. During his trials for IPL and India U23, Harpreet prepared his plan B that in case if he is not selected, he will move to Canada with a student visa and pursue his masters or else, he will join the Punjab police like his father. Harpreet Brar is a big fan of Punjabi actress Sonam Bajwa. Harpreet made a sketch of Sonam Bajwa and uploaded the photo on his Facebook account. When Harpreet was studying in GGDSD College, Chandigarh, he contested in the college election from a party to become the sports in charge of the college. Harpreet considers the former Indian batsman, Yuvraj Singh and Royal Challengers Bangalore player, Gurkeerat Singh Mann as his role model in cricket. He grew up watching Yuvraj Singh play cricket and this inspired him to become a cricketer. Harpreet Brar's house address. Harpreet Brar lives in a luxurious house which is located in Moga, Punjab, India. Harpreet Brar's social media. Facebook. 249k followers plus. Twitter. 27.6k followers plus. Instagram. 79.9k followers plus.